channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marshalee and I run a blog called lifestylebymmarshalee.com. This channel is all things fashion, luxury bag reviews, self-care, and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested, stay tuned for more. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to build a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe are selected pieces of clothing that complements each other. I started my capsule wardrobe in 2020 and I decided that I wanted to get rid of all my clothing and start fresh. So building a capsule wardrobe, you want to have key pieces and basic pieces that you can use over and over again. Classic and timeless pieces. Two main tips that I focused on when I was building my capsule wardrobe. One is stay within my style. Make sure you know your style before you start building a capsule wardrobe, because you actually do want to wear all the pieces that you have bought. Number two is your budget. Know what you can afford before you start spending or before you decide to start building your capsule wardrobe. Okay, so let's get right into the video. I am starting out with a black dress. Everyone needs a black dress in their wardrobe. Why? It's a classic piece, it's a basic piece, and you can wear a black dress to almost any event, any function. You can wear it on a date. You can wear a black dress to school, to work, to dinner. And the first black dress that I got, I wanted it to be casual, but something that I can also dress up. In this video, I did style it with heels and a belt, and just keep in mind, if it's a black dress like this that is very loose and doesn't really have a shape, it's pretty squared, boxy, you definitely want to add a belt or something around the waist to cinch you in, and so you can kind of look more like you have a really nice shape, because in this you're not going to really have any shape, and that's totally fine. This is kind of what I was going for. And I also love this dress, how it falls off the shoulder. So I can wear this dress many ways. I can wear it up on the shoulder as you see in the video, and also I can wear it down, dropping off my shoulders as well. And I really like both looks. I love that this dress also has a small portion of the back that's out. This dress is very versatile. I've dressed this black dress with sneakers, loafers, heels, flip-flops, name it, and I've done it. Up next is one of my favorite colors to wear, particularly in the summer, and it is another dress, and it's a white dress. This is a gorgeous dress. It's really beautiful, and I definitely didn't want to build a boring wardrobe, so I wanted to make sure that adding key pieces like this dress would definitely still help me to stand out in my dressing and also keep my dressing within my style. I do have other white dresses in my wardrobe, but I wanted to show you guys what dresses are definitely standing out to me, but yet still can be built into a capsule wardrobe. This definitely checks the box. However, it does stand out. You know, all this design, the pattern, the frills, but I still wanted to stay within my style. The third item is a piece that everyone knows that definitely should be in your wardrobe just for basic key pieces. And it's this white long sleeve shirt. Now, usually it's a button-up shirt, and as I do have button-up shirts, I wanted to show something a little different, because you don't necessarily have to go out and get a button-up shirt to actually build a capsule wardrobe, but something very similar to a button-up shirt, something that matches your style, is definitely a great idea to add to a capsule wardrobe. I really love and appreciate V-neck tops, and I think it's very flattering on the neck, and I'm able to wear my necklaces, and I think overall it just gives a really nice sleek look. This white shirt is more of a casual white shirt, so it's very loose and it's comfortable. There's several ways that I can wear it because of how it is made. I can wear the sleeves cuffed up, or I can roll the sleeves up because, like I said, it's a very loose shirt. I also want to share another white shirt with you guys. because having a white shirt in your closet doesn't mean that it has to be basic and boring, even though these are supposed to be key basic pieces. However, this is a white shirt that I would wear a little less often. However, it is still versatile and I can still wear this with a pair of jeans. I can wear this with a nice skirt. Keep in mind that building a capsule wardrobe doesn't necessarily have to be simple, basic items that could only be worn to like the grocery store. Next up is probably one of my most worn item in this entire haul, and it is a black pants. Now, I am definitely gonna say that it is more important to have a black pants and not a pair of black jeans. And yes, still get that black jeans, and I have black jeans, but if you're really starting over and you just want to change your style probably, or you want to get into a really detailed capsule wardrobe, I would definitely say start out with black pants. Now, these are not necessarily slacks, but they are trousers and they're suede, so it definitely looks a little bit more dressy than jeans, which means that you can wear this almost anywhere. First of all, I've had this pants for about 4 years, and this is probably one of the only items that I did not get rid of because it fits perfectly into a capsule wardrobe. I've worn this pants to tons of events. I've worn this pants to church. I've worn this pants to work. I've worn this pants to dinner. I've worn it to hang out with my girls. I've worn it to almost basically anywhere. It's suede and it's black, and it literally goes with any top, any footwear. Next up is a piece that I don't wear as often, but I definitely recommend it to start building a capsule wardrobe, and it is a pair of jeans. Everyone needs a pair of jeans in their wardrobe, and I decided to share with you guys this pair of jeans. This pair of jeans is from Levi's, and I wanted to share this one with you because it is one of the darkest colored jeans that I have, and I feel like this is more appropriate to start out building a capsule wardrobe because it can be worn dressed up, it can be worn dressed down. I wanted to have a more of a casual vibe because so far I think most of the outfits that I'm sharing are a little bit more dressed up. I like to keep my outfits not too basic, as I mentioned before. This is a nice top, and I know a lot of people will probably share a basic t-shirt, and that is totally fine because everyone needs a basic t-shirt. But I wanted to share this with you guys because this is more of my style, and building a capsule wardrobe, I literally have worn this top with everything. And I find with something like this material can definitely go further and definitely be interchangeable and complement more pieces in your capsule wardrobe. I just want to say, if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up the video. I did share this in one of my hauls, so this is a fairly new piece in my wardrobe, and I really love the fit of this pants. It's a jegging, so it feels really comfortable. Having a pair of white jeans is one of those key pieces that you're gonna need for spring and summer, and you will never have a problem with what are you gonna wear with a pair of white jeans. And I'll definitely be linking all the items in the description box so you can check that out. If there's any piece that you're gonna get from this capsule wardrobe, it's definitely gonna be a white pair of jeans, and last but not least are blazers. It's getting hot, so you're probably not gonna be wearing blazers as often. Maybe, you know, on a summer evening or summer night, maybe, depends on your style. So the first blazer that I have here is a black blazer. If you're shopping for a black blazer and it's gonna be your first one, or let's say you got rid of your old blazer and you're getting a new one, you want to probably shop for a black blazer that has black buttons. But for me, like I said, I want to stay within my style. And even though this blazer has gold buttons, I definitely would still wear this blazer with almost anything. So if you're like that as well, then yes, go for a blazer that has whatever buttons you want on there. I love gold details, gold accessories. So when I found this blazer, I was pretty happy, and I still consider this a basic key piece in my wardrobe. A black blazer can literally be thrown over anything, as I usually do. And most of the time I wear it as a part of my outfit. And sometimes I wear it as a covering or something just keep me warm. And then when I get to my function or my event, I take it off and show my outfit. So I did style the blazer as well with a pair of jeans. And that is one of the most basic ways that you can style a blazer. On to the next blazer, and it is this gorgeous color. I am really loving this mint green blazer. And you know, adding color to your capsule wardrobe is not necessarily the main focus of a capsule wardrobe. Like I mentioned before, stay with your neutrals. However, it is okay to branch out a little. I can wear this with a pair of jeans and a white shirt, a black shirt, and a black pants. I can wear this over all the dresses that I've shown you in this video. I mean, it's unlimited because the color is not too bright. As you saw in the video, I did style this blazer with an all white outfit and it looked amazing. I think that was one of my favorite looks in this video. I wanted to show you guys that having a blazer doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna be getting all dressed up. You can definitely style a blazer with sneakers, with jeans. Of course, we can get really fancy and put on a blazer. Will actually help to make the outfit look even better. I hope you enjoyed this video and got at least one tip on how to build a capsule wardrobe. Until next time, stay safe. Bye, beautiful.